Hi guys, welcome back to another short video on the visual components manipulation method. I'm Pong, and today we'll be talking about the move manipulation method. Compared to the plug and play method, the move method has better control over the position of the component in all three X, Y, and Z axes. Alright, let's get started. To use the move method, first we need to change away the default plug and play method from the manipulation section here. With the move method, when we select any components in my example layout here, it will not show the blue circle. Instead, it will provide us with this manipulator indicator. It consists of circle, arrows, arcs, and squares, and each of them has its own function. Let's start with the small circle first. This is known as the Torus Point. It allows us to move the component freely, similar to the plug and play method. But the height or z-axis of the component will also be changed in the move method. It also has a second function in which we can snap the selected component to another component while holding on to the Torus point. The selected component can be snapped to any face, center point, edge, or any point of another component. Moving on to other manipulators, the arrows here allow us to move the component precisely in the selected axis. Red is for the x-axis, green is for the y-axis, and blue is for the z-axis. Similar to rotation in the plug and play method, moving the component on any axis will also be provided with a scale bar that has a fixed step size if the mouse is on it. Otherwise, the position can be adjusted freely. The arc manipulators here works the same but for rotation purpose. Scale bar is also provided in this case. The square manipulators are unique and useful in certain situations. It allows us to move the selected component in a way that one of the axes will be locked while moving based on the chosen square manipulator. For example, if I choose the red square manipulator, the x-axis will be locked and the component will only change its position on the y-axis and z-axis. Alright, that's all from me today. Hope you find the move method useful in creating your simulation. Stay tuned for more and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day. Interested in visual components? Visit Robotics website to know more and book a free demo session today.